I think nobody loves to cheat. People cheat because they're weak. You cheated because your partner cheats on you. Parang ang hirap, no? You're just making things complicated. You cannot correct the mistake with another mistake. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a new day, it's a new life to be hopeful for. This is Jose Gara. Alright, so today guys, ako ay sobrang excited because what I did was nag-status ako sa aking Facebook account. You know, this is really a struggle talaga sa akin guys because hindi talaga ako masyadong magaling mag-Tagalog, but I'm gonna do my best para po sa inyong lahat. Ngayon ay magtatalakay po tayo kung bakit ang tao ay nangangaliwa. So, as I check my status, marami po talaga ang nag-comment. So, titingnan po natin kung ano ang perception sa ating sarili, kung bakit ang isang tao ay nangangaliwa. And then, ibibigay ko naman sa inyo na base talaga sa research. And by the way guys, if you're interested to follow me, just check on the description below. Diba? Parang artista lang. You know, I was really overwhelmed guys kasi hindi ko naman inakala na marami yung magbibigay ng kanilang mga opinion, mga pananaw. So, why people cheat guys? Let's start with Alan Habunilid. He just commented emoji with, wala siyang sinabing kahit ano. Nafe-feel ko talaga na nasasaktan talaga siya dahil sa cheating. But, I know, everything happens for a reason. Ali, not contented. Ralph, di man kontento. Jasmine, dili kontento. J.R. Wong, need of time. So the person needs time. I don't know if I would agree. When you cheat, you need time. We have different opinions, pero in my case, when in fact, when you're going to cheat, you're spending time, diba? So if you need time, so probably you would spend it on something that is worth it. So basically, you are wasting the time because cheating is not a good thing to do. Next, Herlito, tukuan ka ng tukuan, good sir, makapasar bahalagas. Okay, so when it comes to the exam, yeah, students tend to cheat so that they can pass. But basically, you know, cheating in the exam, it is just fooling yourself. Yung sarili mo, pinapaniwala na magaling ka talaga. Well, in fact, you're not magaling kasi nag-cheat ka, diba? Ace Alas, because a person didn't put God in the center of his or her life. I guess ito talaga ang ultimate reason. When people gets into cheating, you forget to put God in the center of your life. Hi, Sir Earl, if you're watching this video. They fear to hurt the one they wrongly settled with. For me, I'd like to keep them all. It's like my points, yeah. Guys, I'm really using this because napakainit talaga. And then, I'm also using a cup, by the way, because of the ECQ, hindi na ako nakapah-haircut. That's why if I'm gonna take this off, diba? It looks so... When you're in a relationship and then you suddenly realize na hindi pala mo mahal, mangyayari, naghahanap ka ng iba. Pero ayaw mo siyang masaktan. Kasi mabait yung tao, yun, mahirap saktan yung taong minamahal ka, diba? Most of the people are so guilty about this one, even me. There were times talaga na you would realize na you want to satisfy yourself while not hurting your partner. Florencio Labe, Totske, dili faithful. Being faithful will not tolerate cheating. Let's go to Josephine Rodriguez. Ma'am, you said because they love to. I just find it ironic because I think nobody loves to cheat. People cheat because they're weak. That's my opinion, ma'am. Your opinion is yours and I respect that. Nagbibigay lang talaga ako ng insight dito, guys. Okay. Seth Vincent Amor Kibal. People cheat usually to satisfy others. Parang hirap explain, no? Because primarily, guys, in a relationship ka. Tapos, you cheated because you want this person to be satisfied. Why in the first place commit yourself to your partner? Well, in fact, you're going to satisfy the other. So sana hindi mo na lang siya ginawa, diba? Ginawa mo na lang yung isa. Person Petrie, because they are cheaters, basic. What I can actually recall with this kind of statement, guys, is yung Natuturo pa ako sa elementary. So, I had this lesson, improper fraction. So, I asked my students, okay, class, what is improper fraction? So, may isang bata. She raised her hand and then sabi niya, Sir, improper fractions are fractions that are improper. You do not define the word by its own. I mean, you define it with certain sentences that would make the word validated. Faith of Villiers Menyoza, because they are not contented, sir. Okay. Isabel, bigaon rajud. Whore, slut. You won't cheat if you're not or, diba? Josette May abstain. Ganahan o kulbahinam. I don't understand it. I don't understand, ma'am. I'm sorry. Dili contenta Joseph Ryle. Nancy Baterna. It's to experience success. In the class, you want to cheat. You want to get good score. It's like uplifting your ego. Next is to feel what is being hurt. Parang nagre-revenge ka. To feel the thrill of being caught cheating. I think isa din yan sa mga reason, guys. May mga tao talaga that they are adventurous when it comes to that. Even me. I have that kind of characteristic. No? I get to feel so excited when it is not in normal pacing. Jerome Martel, it is the way they are treated by their partners. Are you cheated because your partner cheats on you? Parang ang hirap, no? You're just making things complicated. You cannot correct the mistake with another mistake. So let's go to Kirk Henry. Cheating may come in so many different ways. It can be in relationship, school, work, or even to yourself. Sometimes cheating is our escape from admitting that we can't stand on something, that we can't stand with the truth. We cheat because we are afraid to acknowledge that we are far from being perfect. We cheat because there is a little hole that we want to patch. We cheat because we are curious. We cheat because we rush on success. We cheat because we once experienced being cheated on. But above all, we cheat because we fail to understand satisfaction and being contented. Cheating doesn't give you the satisfaction of like making yourself feel that you are perfect. And then Lang Garcia because they don't have contentment. Bambi Gaulag. People cheat because they can. Kaya mo naman, diba? Because God gives you the free will, diba? Pero the question is, are you willing to cheat? For example, yung mga faithful. Yung hindi nag-cheat. Kaya naman nilang talaga mag-cheat. Pero hindi lang ginagawa. It is their choice to cheat. Of course, most of the time, we are not forced to cheat. Silva Pinheiro, France. One of the most common reasons for infidelity is the feeling that you and your partner have drifted apart. In this case, cheating can feel like a way of finding something new, exciting, where your relationship has become predictable and familiar. Yes, this is very common. No. When you feel that it's boring, sometimes naghahanap tayo ng taong magbibigay na you feel excited, thrilled, kasi pagbago kasi doon talagang grabing aggression. Bername, kadalasan hinahanap nila sa iba yung wala sa partner nila. Jopet commented, sometimes the truth is that, okay, para in-explain yung kanyang point in the first point. In-explain lang talaga niya. Parang we have Sire Cabs. It's like people hurt because they're hurt people. People cheat because at some point in their lives, they were once being cheated. Parang you want this person to feel how you felt during the time that your partner cheated on you. Ang masasabi ko, if your partner cheats on you, and then, pag hindi mo na kaya, two things na ang gagawin mo, guys. It's either you're gonna stay and take it, and have the faith and the hope that your partner will somehow change. Or the second one is to leave. Your partner's action doesn't always manifest the congruency of your action. Huwag mong gawin yun. Kung alam mong mali, do not do it. Do not go down to the level of your partner who cheats on you. It's not worth it. Ace Alice, one of the reason is that the partner can satisfy sexual desire. Yes, I would also believe on that. Because I had this professor before when I was in college. Nasabi talaga niya, may mga bagay talaga na naibibigay ng partner sa'yo. So, yung mga bagay na yun, you are looking those things to somebody else. So, ang nangyayari guys, nag-cheat ka. John Lisondra, one of the reasons kaya ka na feeling unloved. Some partners communicate more verbally by saying nice things, whereas other might prefer to express affection physically by cuddling or kissing. If your love language is different to your partner's, that can leave you feeling unloved and potentially more often to those affections of someone who seems to understand you better. So parang sinasabi niya dito guys, when you love, you show this kind of affection. At the same time, you want that affection to be given back to you. And then when your partner failed to do it, anong nangyayari, nag-cheat ka. Nats lahot kabunche. People cheat because someone is better than you. This could be correct, this could be true. But if that is your reason that you cheat because, for example, I will cheat with my partner because someone is better than my partner, then I would be cheating for the rest of my life. Kasi there will always be that person who's always better than your partner. But you're not committing to your partner because your partner is the best. You're committing to your partner because you love your partner and that love comes with acceptance. Kaya dapat kung anong mabibigay niya, whether it's his best or it's his worst, you accept that because you chose that person. If you're going to think that way, you will never settle for someone for the rest of your life. You will always have this hunger to look for better and better, and there will always be better. I guess we're done. Let's go now to the 8 key reasons why people cheat. So this is based really on research. This is Psychology Today, studied by Theresa E. Di Donato. I'll just go with the main point. So number 1, falling out of love. It's very understandable. For variety, parang you're bored already. To eliminate that boredom by looking for somebody else na alam mo namang hindi mo bibigay ng partner mo. Feeling neglected. Gusto mo pa yung tao pero hindi ka niya gusto. You feel insecure, so basically if you're insecure, you're gonna find someone to fill in that insecurity. 4th, situational forces. So, ang ibig sabihin ng situational forces, guys, is that yung mga bagay na it was a form of accident, yung nalasing ka. Because nalasing ka, hindi mo na nakokontrol yung self mo. Ang nangyayari, you get to have sex with someone else. 5th, to boost self-esteem. You know, I've had this acquaintance, sabi niya, you get to have sex with a lot of people. It makes you feel so guapo, it makes you feel sexy. Well, in general, thought naman talaga guys, pag may mga taong nagkagusto sa'yo, nabuboost naman talaga yung self-esteem mo, diba? Kasi parang nagiging validation sila na, okay, I'm guapo pala kasi they're attracted to me. I'm smart because they're attracted to me. Number 6 item, it's out of anger. In these cases, cheating was seen as a way to punish a partner or enact revenge. Okay. This is the resulting point of being neglected. When person neglects you, you feel angry about it, no? So when you feel angry, you resort to revenging that person. Number 7, not feeling committed. Okay guys, so for number 8 item, it's because of sexual desire. We can relate this one with wala nang gana sa bed. So it results to finding someone who's gonna feel that lacking thing or lacking aspect on your relationship. Kasi sabi nga nila, sex is the language of love or one of the languages of love. So basically, dito mo mapaparamdam sa tao yung intimacy, yung your body and soul are connected, and it's really true. So on my perspective, dito na tayo. I'm gonna be true to all of you guys, and somehow I hope that nobody's going to judge me because of this one. There was a point in my life where I actually cheated, and my current partner now, alam niya na I had those kind of things before. Why I cheated? Yes, because things are getting so familiar. Parang naging routine na, parang wala nang excitement, wala lang kaming gala-gala, parang andun lang sa boarding house. So, I got bored. Parang wala na yung first emotions na nafe-feel mo nung bago pa lang kayo. So, you resort to finding this kind of emotion to somebody else out there. Once in our lives, we have cheated naman talaga. May it be in a relationship, in our family, in school, in work, we have done it. But the important about this is that we would learn most often. Kasi alam naman natin it's wrong. You cannot correct a mistake by another mistake. If you feel that your partner doesn't love you anymore, you talk to your partner. Kasi ang nangyari kasi guys, na may misconceptualize natin yung boredom, we're getting familiar or everything is already a routine. Na-misconceptualize kasi natin yun into wala ng love. Will work out talaga yung love. Kung nare-realize mo na parang boring na yung partner mo, tapos ikaw wala kang ginagawa o yung partner mo hindi nag-cooperate sa mga ginagawa mo, talagang eventually mag-fade yung relationship, mag-fade yung feelings, mag-fade yung love. But when you're going to put spice on it, it's not impossible to revive the relationship. That's why it's called relationship, kasi kayong dalawa yung gagawa nun. Pero if isa lang yung gagawa tapos walang cooperation ito, nothing would happen. Relationship means connection. You have to be connected. You have to be in one mission. You have to be in one vision. But do not always equate love into relationship. Hindi lahat ng taong minamahal mo nagiging karelasyon mo. May mga tao na mahal mo tapos mahal ka. But there are things that we cannot just, like make it possible just because we want to. So pag sinasabi mong love, it's about acceptance, it's about being kind, it's about being patient. It doesn't tolerate the wrongdoings. Pag hindi pwede, then do not. Kasi siya nagiging love. Nagiging defeated na yung purpose of why love exists in the world. At the end of the day, it's gonna be your choice. You will always have a choice. You will always have so many options. But for every choice that you're going to make, there will always be consequence that lies on it. So, before making a choice, always expect the good and the bad side of it. Embrace it. Stand for it. Hindi yung nag-cheat ka, tapos hindi mo naman pala kayang iwan ka ng boyfriend mo or girlfriend mo. So wag na lang. Always choose what you think you can embrace. Both the positive and the negative on it. Alright, so I think that's it for our So Why People Cheat. I am so grateful and happy that you guys was able to give your realizations about this one. Yeah, if you're new to my channel, guys, and if you enjoyed and if you have learned something on my vlog today, I hope so. So please consider subscribing, sharing, liking, and pressing the notification button. See you in my next video, and God bless everyone.